Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to achieve this look. At this point, I filmed the tutorial 2 weeks ago, as you can see by my hair. Yeah. Nevertheless, it's super easy. It doesn't take that much time at all. What happened was I was so tired at the end that I didn't get to film the intro or the closing. So yeah, but before we get into it, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and just like this video. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Let's get right into the video. So my hair is washed and deep conditioned, and as you can see by the little stuff, I do having some leave-in conditioner at the moment. So I use the extemely leave-in conditioner. My hair is actually my first time using it and I really like it so far. So let's see if we can build a relationship with this one. So I'm removing this section, my hair, parting my hair. Then I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam conditioning gel on my hair. So from the root around the sides, and then I'm just gonna press that into the hair. Then I'm going to be taking an elastic band. I'm just going to put it around the hair, not too tight, just gently put it around the hair. And voila. And go ahead and do this to the rest of my hair. So this is the hair I'll be using, Passion Twist, ombre. So it's dark at the top, come all the way down. Very, very nice. Actually bought this hair already sometime last year and I absolutely love it. It's very reasonable. I think I paid about $22 thereabout for the hair. So I'm gonna be putting the link to the hair in my bio. Then I'm gonna take my crochet needle, push that in, hook, ooh, okay, hook my hair onto the needle, close that down, and then push it through. Then I'm going to separate the hair, pull it down, then I start twisting. Then I'm going to be using the same Shine and Jam to lay my edges with a toothbrush, of course. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're more motivated to actually try this style and get this. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. As always, have a great week. Bye.